Mastering public speaking. Spice it up with props and demonstrations. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our English language learning channel. In this video, we're going to explore an exciting aspect of public speaking and presentations, using props and demonstrations. This technique can make your speeches and presentations more dynamic, engaging, and memorable. When giving a presentation or a speech, it's crucial to engage your audience and make a lasting impression. One of the effective ways to do this is through using props and demonstrations. Props and demonstrations can 1. Add visual interest. They break up the monotony of speech and add a visual component to your presentation. 2. Aid understanding. They can help clarify complex concepts or ideas, making them more tangible and easier to understand. 3. Boost retention. Visual aids can help your audience remember the key points of your presentation long after it ends. When deciding on a prop or demonstration, it's important to ensure that it serves your message and doesn't distract from it. Here are some tips. 1. Relevance. Make sure your prop or demonstration is relevant to your topic. It should support or clarify a point you're making. 2. Simplicity. Keep it simple. Your prop or demonstration should not be complicated or hard to understand. 3. Size. Consider the size of your prop. It should be large enough to be seen by your entire audience, but not so large that it becomes a distraction. Now let's discuss how to use props and demonstrations effectively. Here are some guidelines. 1. Introduce. Introduce your prop or demonstration before you use it. Let your audience know what you're going to do and why. 2. Use with care. Use your prop or demonstration at the right time. It should not interrupt the flow of your presentation, but enhance it. 3. Practice. Practice using your prop or demonstration beforehand. You want to appear confident and competent when you use it. Here are some examples of props and demonstrations that you can use in your presentations. 1. Objects. If you're speaking about a physical product, bring the product as a prop. 2. Models or diagrams. These can be useful for explaining complex concepts or processes. 3. Live demonstrations. Show your audience how to do something. This can be particularly effective for instructional or how-to presentations. So, that's it for today's lesson on using props and demonstrations in your presentations. I hope you found it helpful. Remember, the right prop or demonstration can add value to your speech or presentation, making it more engaging and memorable for your audience. So, don't be afraid to get creative and try this technique the next time you give a presentation. As always, keep practicing and keep improving. See you in the next video.